Here we go. Here we go. Hey, Mikey, we got some car wash going on, don't we?
I love going through a car wash. I feel like I'm getting reborn. Going through the birth canal thing here.
Oh my God, no! No, not the blue squeegees! No! Oh, it's sucking my guts out. I'm feeling destroyed. Suck in.
Hang in there, Andrew. You're almost through.
Oh my God. Wait. The discs of Sabatruine. The spirally snakes of Lisbon Blackensnare.
Oh, the snakes, they're everywhere. The snakes, get them away. Oh, the spring acid out of now. Ah, acid wash.
Oh my God.
After the acid, they send you through a psychedelic chamber.
It's very appropriate, actually. Wish we could get that Rain-X on us without paying for it.
Come on, hit us with some Rain-X.
I mean, automatic car washes are efficient, but it's really good that they exist. Ooh, look at that. They're already looking better. The way that water's beating is a little better than the dusty surfaces beforehand. Was very tough. The winds of Samaran.
The winds of Samaran are upon us. And we emerge.
We survived. We survived.
Squeaky clean. Squeaky, wiki, 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 squeaky,
Wiki clean. Wiki clean. Of course. Oh,
Man down, man
damn!
down.
I hit
Cameraman down.
I hit the damn windshield wiper. It ruined our car wash. We better go through again.